Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse. Back again, I got another unboxing video. This time it's the Lenovo Smart Tab M8. Okay, the Smart Tab M8. So I'm a big fan of the Google, OK Google automation, very simple home automation solutions. So this one's pretty cool. It's a Lenovo tablet, but it also has a dock, and it can work in two modes, either as an Android tablet or as a Google Assistant. So let's go ahead, open it up, and we'll take a look at it. So it's almost universal now that people have some form of automated home assistant, or they talk to their phones. You know, Siri had this for a long time on Apple. Google's solution was Hey Google or OK Google. So this is our tablet. We've got several of these, but generally they're a dedicated home hub. So it's either a little smart speaker-only puck, or Lenovo has several. I've done unboxing videos before where it's a hub, but this is the first time I've seen a tablet, combo tablet and dock device that turns into the Google Assistant.
Top search result.
Okay, well, my phone was also going to keep going off with the OK Google. So, oh, there one again. Okay, so unboxing. First of all, everybody likes to see this, so let's go ahead and look at the box itself. Very thin tablet in here. And what else do we have? We've got the guide. We've got a SIM popper, I guess, probably for the SD card. This is going to be the dock itself. Okay, little dock with the pins in it. And what else do we have? A power cord and power supply. Okay. So let's take a look at the device itself. This is my first time seeing this. Feels good. It's actually a little, it's very sturdy. It's, I've got a couple other tablets from Lenovo. One of them is kind of the yoga tablet with the big power bar at the bottom. Another kind of flat tablet, the M10 HD. So this is, I think, my first 8-inch Android device, so it's booting up right now. Let's go ahead and get started through the login process while I get the dock set up too. So open the dock here, get this power cord out, put this in. It's got a nice place back here for the plug so it can sit flat, which is critical. So it's going to plug in with micro USB here. Plug in there, lays flat on there, so we can set this down flat like this. I guess it's going to sit like that. Let's go ahead and log into Wi-Fi. Connecting, put this in the tablet here. Works pretty slick. Sits on the tablet very nicely and secure. So ports on this, let's take a look. So we've got the power button, volume rocker, looks like a reset button there on top, headphone jack there. Oh, here's another pop on the bottom. That's going to be for the SD card, I'm sure, and the pins, pogo pins for the dock, and the micro SD charger there if you want to charge it when it's not docked. Just because I'm curious, I want to pop the this card just to make sure it's an SD card and not a SIM card. Let's take a look. Yeah, SD card. So let's put that back in. So that's for expansion. That's great. This is still booting. It's checking for updates. But I think we're going to stop there. Let's go ahead, pause the video, and then we'll try this thing in action in a few other places around the house and see how it actually works in OK Google mode. Hey everybody! So it's been a few days. I changed my shirt. Manchester United won today. I'm super excited. So anyway, I'm back. I got another update on the Lenovo Smart Tab M8. Just finishing off here, I thought I'd show a few of the features after learning a little bit about it, how it works. So this is it. Of course, it's in the dock, which comes with it, which is great. The dock plugs in. It's got the micro USB charger on the bottom. It's been charging. Slides in there really nice. So let's just show a few of the features. So first of all, it's not a regular smart hub device from Google. Like, we've got plenty of those in Lenovo. This one really acts more like a docked tablet with the Google Assistant or a cell phone, if you can imagine it docked. So it's got all the same features your cell phone would have, but it doesn't perform exactly the same as our other Google smart devices. But it can do things like watch in the background. Hey Google, turn on the outlet.
Alright, turning 4 outlets on.
Voila, hopefully you saw that in the back. Okay, Google, turn off the outlet.
Alright, turning 4 outlets
Hey,
off.
alright. So other things I tried, how about this? Hey Google, start a timer for 10 minutes. Oh, I think we're still doing the outlet. So let's try this again. Hey Google, turn a timer on for 10 minutes.
Alright, 10 minutes. And we're starting now.
Exactly. So, a couple more things you might find. So if that's in the kitchen, how about we do, hey Google, show me a recipe for chicken.
Here are some recipes I found.
There you go. So, hey Google, what's on my calendar today?
There's one entry today. At 2 p.m. you have run.
I have run. So you can do things. I sent an email to my wife. That's really easy. How about do a call? Hey Google, call my wife.
Calling wife.
Oh yeah, that's right. Hey Google, call my wife on Duo. Tried to use my cell
Making
phone
an
there.
audio call to wife on Duo.
Now it should bring up a call to my wife on Duo. Great. Pretty easy, right? Starts right up. I could also do a video call, same way, except it would say, hey Google, make a video call to my wife on Duo. No, it's not perfect. Hey Google, make a video call to my wife on Duo.
Making a call to wife on Duo.
So there, it's going to dial into her phone. I won't bother her. So, I think the thing about these smart devices is we're starting to get them all around our house. The more you have them, the more uses you find them. Whether it's in the kitchen, the tablet that you can use like this as a, you can play Bejeweled on it, or your kids can use it, or you can use it in the dock as a smart device. So, I think that's it, but for those of you interested, it's a good solution. It's kind of in the $100 price range with the dock, so it's a good way to add another device to your probably already growing network of Google assisted devices. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch everybody later. Bye.